Mastering the art of organizing notes effectively. Hello there, English language learners. Welcome to our lesson on organizing notes effectively. Whether you are listening to a lecture, a podcast, or an English conversation, effective note-taking can help you identify and remember the most important information. So, let's dive in and learn how to transform your note-taking habits. Note-taking is a crucial skill, especially in language learning. It helps us retain and recap information. When listening to English, it's not possible to remember everything, but with good notes, you'll have a personalized reference point for later review. The first step to effective note-taking is actively listening. Listen with the intention to understand and identify key points. Don't try to write everything you hear. Instead, focus on jotting down main ideas, relevant details, and any new vocabulary or expressions. There are several note-taking techniques, and we're going to cover 3 popular ones. 1. Outline method. Write the main points followed by subpoints or related details in a structured, organized way. 2. Cornell method. Divide your into 3 sections: cues, notes, and summary. Write main points in the cues section, details in the notes section, and a brief summary at the end. 3. Mind mapping. Draw a map of your ideas. Write the main idea in the center of your paper and add branches for related topics or details. Choose a method that suits you the best, and remember, practice makes perfect. Organizing your notes is just as important as taking them. Here are some tips. 1. Highlight key points. Use a marker or underline the most important details. 2. Use abbreviations. Develop your own system of shorthand or abbreviations to save time. 3. Add a summary. At the end of your notes, write a brief summary of what you've learned. 4. Review and revise. Go over your notes after some time and add any necessary details or explanations. That's all for today's lesson on organizing notes effectively. Remember, good note-taking can significantly boost your comprehension and retention of English. Try different methods, find what works best for you, and most importantly, keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you with more English learning strategies in the future. Happy learning!